If your kids make messes faster than you can clean them, this one's for you. This cordless vacuum is the answer to all those extra messy kid moments. Play-Doh under the table? Gone. Pet hair all over the stairs? Not a problem. It's lightweight, quick to grab, and works on everything. Stairs, vinyl, hardwood, even the couch and spider webs up in the corner. The best part, it's cordless, so you can chase the mess. Trust me, this will be your new best friend. Tap the link below to make life a little easier. One mess at a time.